Guys, welcome back to Tasty Yard Meal. Here today I'm going to make fish tea. That's what we Jamaican call it, fish tea. So fish tea, some call it fish soup, but our original name is fish tea. Like guys, if you like my video, I'm gonna ask from the beginning, please like, share, and subscribe. Alright, so here we're gonna use some pampana fish because the other fish is gonna melt out. So this I'm going to wash it. I just come in with it, and these are the ingredients that I'm going to use today. Not all of this, guys, just some. I just bought it, so I just took it out to show. All right, so I'm going to put some green banana, cocoa. I don't, guys, forgive me if I don't know the other island's name. This is what we call it, cocoa. Piece of badwar dashin, right? So dashin, chocho, yellow yam, white yam. All right, them are just me cut them, so just to see how the inside look, right? Pumpkin. I'm gonna put a tomato, not tomato, onion inside the water. All right, so we have pimento, we have the fish soup flavor, fish flavored soup mix, so we're going to use that. We have scallion, thyme, right, garlic roughly chopped, the pepper on this, so sit down and hide, right, and see pumpkin. I was just one, I just cut these things, but it's not going to be all, but these are what I'm using in the soup or fish tea, right? So today fish tea. Please like, share, subscribe, right? Can't wait till it's done. All right, guys, I'm back. So I peeled the yam and the cocoa, yellow yam. So the banana, I peeled them. The banana, this one I'm going to peel. But if it was like soup, different soup, me gonna peel it. Me have some carrot here. And guys, the fish, me did season it. Put like a light seasoning on it, and you know, some fish seasoning and stuff like that. So me put some fish seasoning and so, and it was sitting there for about till me finish peel the yam them and you know start everything. And me have now the water boil, so me put the fish. This fish don't have too much bone, that's why me do it like this. Now Jamaica, a regular way, if you will cook fish tea, you then just put it in the water and then take out the bone or strain off the bone off it. But this one don't have too much bone, so we can deal with it a bit, you know, because this, you know, this is the pampana fish. Then just have some big bone in it and in, you know, little backbone in it. So this is some chocha and some pumpkin for starty base. Me have some pimento seed, pimento grain, whatever you call it, in there. Me put the thyme in there because me want flavor, right? So me put some ice scallion. Me put things ahead of time. Me put salt in there, right? So all that now gonna help. You can smell it already from me put the thyme in it, right? So that a boil now. Me put in the fish for get it some flavor first before me start putting in, and me take them out before they mash out. Alright, so this is how I'm gonna do this time. So I'm gonna go ahead and boil the fish, put them in here with the seasoning, everything going. Alright, so we're gonna make this boil. I'll make it boil and flavor. Me put onion, I put half an onion in there and so, right? So here I'm gonna let that sit and go and cut up the rest of stuff. And guys, no dumpling today, so don't ask, all right? No flour in your stuff today. I just this with the yam them and sit. No dumpling today, all right? So you make this go and simmer out, and you know, some lime juice I did put on the fish as well, and season it to your likings, all right? But I did season it first. Now we're going to sit there and it's going to boil up and boil out a little bit soft, and then we'll take you out before I mash out, right? I'll take you out at least couple some of them before they mash out, because this is a good, you know, nice up fish up soup. Can't wait for drink it. See you guys in a moment. All right, guys, I'm back. Look. See, so what I did was I take out some of the bones. See, some of the, there's little bones in there, 1 and 2, but You know, it's not as bad. So I took some out, and I took out some of the fish because it was too big fish. So when it's almost cooked, this is just 3 pieces of it. They start to mash out, but it's okay because me want a piece of fish for eat. Me don't want to just have it all mash out. So see, some my bone me take out as some my bone now, guys. I cut up the yam and stuff, big chunks, big chunks, and I'm going to put that in here now, guys. I taste this water. It's ready to drink. But guess what? Me need food. Again, guys, no dumpling today, right? So I'm gonna put in the food now. I make it go and make it this, then go mash out when they done cook, you know. Then go mash out a little bit, and I'll put in the chocho, the food them and something, the cocoa yam, yellow yam and sitting in it now and make it go and cook. But guys, me taste the water here. And it not done season yet. Listen, I'm ready to eat, but soon come back. All right, so guys, again, if you like, please watch, like, subscribe, please. Won't cost anything. Thank you very much in advance. All right, so I'll be back, guys. This is it. Look at it. All right, so the reason why it's thick is not because I put anything in there to make it thick. It's the cocoa and the dasheen and the pumpkin thickening it up. So it's natural thickness. Didn't put any mixture of flour, anything. Guys, it can thicken up itself. See? So it's soupy, a little bit thick, but it's okay. Guys, I taste this. You don't need nothing. So me carrot, everything in it, you know. It's just ready for eat, you know. Look how pretty it be. Alright, so fish tea, fish soup, whatever you want to call it, this is it. Guys, it's delicious. Alright, so thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you very much. I'll be back. Alright, guys, see this finish? This is the finish. Look how pretty it look. I see piece of fisherman take out my yellow yam, everything in there, my thyme well in there, pimento, and everything else. So yeah, this is it. So we're gonna drink this up and enjoy the rest of the evening. Thanks for watching. See you guys on my next video. Please like, share, and subscribe.